How to block ads on Android phone without any app stop ads on Android phone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily block ads on your Android phone. So first thing, simply head over to your settings. And once you're inside your settings, just scroll down until you find this option called Google. So once you tap on it, just click on this all services option if you have one, and just scroll down until you see this ads option. So once you click on it, here you will have to click on this deleting advertising ID so that your apps can no longer use this advertising ID to show your personalized ads. So just click on it, and from over here just delete your advertising ID. So as you can see, my advertising ID has been deleted. So the second method what you can do is just head back and come over to settings search section and just search in for DNS. So once you search in, just click on this private DNS option, which is popping up right here. So once you're inside here, just click on this private DNS once again, and make sure you select this option called private DNS provider hostname, with its hostname being dns.adguard.com, and just click on save. And that is exactly how you can block ads on your phone. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.